So here I am today at Majestic Ornate. Now the best part about this project, what I liked is that this is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 3.25 acres. But out of this, there is going to be a 35,000 square feet public garden, that is the PMC garden, which is going to be inside the premises of this particular project. Other than that, there are going to be 2 residential towers that are going to come up over here. But before I tell you about the more internal distinctive amenities of the project, let me tell you one more thing, that this project is located right on Pan Card Clubs Road in Baner. Now, despite being in Baner, despite being almost in the city, it is also in a very open and a very green and a very hilly area, because of which there is going to be amazing ventilation, some beautiful scenic views, and also great accessibility to the city from one end and also towards the Mumbai-Bangalore highway from one end, because the road connects to Mumbai-Bangalore highway in just about 5 minutes. Also, the Hinjewadi IT Park is only about a 15-minute drive from this place. Now, along with that, there are multiple connectivities, like there are going to be hotels, there are malls, there are multiplexes, there are schools, colleges, hospitals, and a lot. But what matters the most is, how do you feel once you enter the house? I know. Let's go and enter the house and see how beautifully they have created the homes for you. Now, they have 2 different variants, as I told you, the 3 BHK and the 4 BHK. The 3 BHK is of 1141 square feet and the 4 BHK is of 1680 square feet, where I'm standing right now. And the door and the house comes with a video door phone right over here and a digital entry also to the house with this digital door lock right over here. Now let's enter the house. This is your entrance lobby, which is of approximately 5 by 5 square feet, and right at the entrance is the first room. Now this can be a study or a guest room, the way they've made it. It can also be a bedroom, which is of 13 by 10.6 square feet. And this comes with this really big window over here, which is a sliding window, and it comes with this toughened glass railing over here, which does give you the feel of a standing balcony, but also of a full complete window, which is of approximately more than 9 feet of height. Also, along with that, the homes over here are also very tall. They are more than 10 feet of height. Along with this bedroom comes an attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. Coming back to the entrance lobby over here, you can already notice that the home comes with these touch panels over here, so that you don't have those switches everywhere in the house. And this over here is your living and dining. The grand space is of approximately 25 by 13 square feet of this complete rectangular unit. Now, one thing that again I loved about it is that towards the dining area is the standing balcony. There's a very big window, and over here is the balcony. Let's go and take a look at the balcony very quickly. Now, the size of it does not make me feel like calling it a balcony. It is actually a terrace. 7 by 13 square feet is the size of it. Let's take a closer look at this one. Now, if you can already notice the flooring, it is made up of wooden finished ceramic tiles, and it also comes covered from 3 sides. Along with that, there is a toughened glass railing also that comes with a stainless steel frame. Let's now move towards the dining area once again, so that I can show you a closer look at the window over here. This one is a sliding window again with the standing balcony, and right next to this area is the kitchen. The kitchen and the utility area is of approximately 9 by 16 square feet, and it ends over here at your utility area with the sink and this provision for your washing machine. This over here is your service table, and this over here is your utility table. Now let's move back into the house so that we can take a look at the bedrooms. And right over here, we're entering into the lobby, which will take us into the common areas. First of all, let's take a look at the powder room, which is right over here. And right opposite it is the bedroom. Now, this bedroom is again of approximately 15 by 11 square feet. And it again comes with this really big size window over here that also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net and this toughened glass over here for your enhanced safety and security. उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पर एक बेडरूम भी है, एक बाथरूम भी है. So this is the attached bathroom that is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And this bedroom over here is of approximately 12.6 by 10.6 square feet. And it also comes with this similar kind of a balcony, a standing balcony that I told you about. Let's take a closer look at the room. And this room also comes with an attached toilet and wash to it. Let's take a look at that one as well. This is your master bedroom, 11 by 16 square feet, and it comes with yet another very beautiful balcony. Now, when you look at it, initially it doesn't look like a balcony, it looks like an extended part of the room. But when we go out and take a look at it, it is a beautiful sit out, which is of approximately 7 by 7 square feet. It comes open from two sides and it is covered from the top and from one side, and the flooring is of a wooden finished ceramic tiles. Now here I am inside your walk-in wardrobe and your master toilet. Let's take a closer look at this one. The attached toilet and wash is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And this is the space of your walk-in wardrobe. Now before I exit this house, let me tell you that there is a lot more that I need to tell you, but you need to stay tuned with me so that I can tell you about the booking processes. Goodbye. And now that I've told you all the details of the project, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process go ahead. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is in the captions, we've mentioned a link. You need to click on that link and then our sales manager will get in touch with you and then help you shortlist the projects that you have liked depending on your preferences of area, configurations and multiple other things. Once you have shortlisted the couple of projects, then you and the sales manager will travel together with the free cab service that we are providing you and then finalize your dream home. Well, as I told you earlier, that this is going to come in with a lot of multiple benefits like no brokerage, like the best offers in town and also booking offers. Now, for all of this, you need to register yourself with us, and that is in the captions. Along with that, you also need to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated about all the projects, not just in Pune, but also pan-India. Well, not just pan-India, we are also present across the globe in multiple countries like UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA, and many more. So, if you want to purchase a house, not just in Pune, but globally anywhere, you are at Property Cloud and we are going to help you buy your dream home with the best of deals in the market, hassle-free and brokerage-free. Stay tuned to us. Thank you.